If you want to impress everybody with your gift wrapping but not spend a lot of time, I have some easy gift wrapping hacks you're definitely going to want to try. Have you ever tried double-sided gift wrapping paper? It makes life so much easier, and you can also do like some fun gift wrapping techniques. I have a really inexpensive set of 3 that I'll link for you down in the description box. Pull out your double-sided paper and cut out the amount you need. First, you're gonna pull the top portion down so it's a little bit above where your package ends. Next, you're gonna tuck in one side and crease the paper down. Pull over the top piece and then pull over the bottom piece. Cut along the edge so all your pieces are the same length. You're gonna tuck in the bottom corner and pull up the bottom piece. Then you're gonna place the top down, crease it, and tape. On the opposite end, cut off any excess paper and then just fold it like normal. Now you've created a pocket where you could add in a gift tag or card. I want to thank Home Aglow for sponsoring today's video. Home Aglow is a 5-star house cleaning service with super affordable prices. If you're new to an area or looking to have a house cleaner for the first time, sometimes it can be kind of tricky figuring out who's the best to get. That's one of the reasons I really love Home Aglow, because you can go on their website and see reviews with photos of cleaners in your areas. You can check out their background checks, so it's really nice and handy to have. Also, 100% of the cleaning fees and tips go directly to your cleaners. The reason I needed to book a cleaning is because things are crazy this time of year with holidays and family, and I just needed help with getting the house cleaned. So it's really easy to use. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box so you guys can get there, but you go to their website, you click the date and time that you want your cleaning, you can see available cleaners, you can pick one, you can schedule it based on like the amount of time that you need your house cleaned. You can get a cleaning scheduled as quickly as that week. You can also sign up for their Forever Clean membership, which saves you $30 an hour on all of your future cleanings, or you can book unlimited cleaning starting at just $19 an hour. So when I was looking for cleaners in my area, I found someone that had really great reviews. I booked them, they showed up on time. My house looks fabulous, so I can't be happier with my experience. With the holidays around the corner, things are starting to get busier and busier. Take home cleaning off your plate by using Home Aglow. You can head to their website and use homeaglow.com/LizFenwickDIY, and again, I'll put that for you guys down in the description box. You can get your first cleaning for only $9. This next gift I think it would be fun for anyone on your list. I'm using some really cute red bags. So put your item in a bag. I'm gonna put some tape on the back of my gift sack. Next, we're gonna make a fun crossword with the person's name in it, so you can go to this free crossword builder website. You're gonna put in the words for and whoever your present is to, or you could honestly put in whatever you want. Then you're going to change the size, and then you can also change up the font if you want to as well. Then you'll click on generate word search, and you have a printable word search that you can print off. Then with my printed out crossword, I'm gonna cut that out so you don't see any of the extra wording that's on there. I'm gonna fold the top portion down and tape that onto my package. Take a marker and circle whatever you wrote. So I did for Caroline, so I'm gonna circle that. Next, I'm gonna wrap my package with a little bit of twine to finish it off. Let me know if you guys have tried the e.l.f. gift wrap cutter. This makes cutting through your paper so much easier. I also feel like it gives you a lot cleaner line. You just wrap this around your gift wrap and then put the paper through here, and it's gonna cut off a nice line. This next gift wrapping hack is a super fun way for kids or really anyone to open their package on Christmas morning. So what you're gonna do is cut your paper down to size for whatever you're wrapping. Next, you're going to get a pipe cleaner, and I'm gonna put that along the back of my paper, and then I'm gonna create a little loop at the side of my paper. I'll tape the pipe cleaner down in place. Next, I'm going to wrap my package like normal. I'll fold in the edges and tape them in place. So whoever you give this to as a gift can just pull the little ring on the pipe cleaner around and easily pull off their wrapping paper. If you're looking for an inexpensive wrapping option, consider craft paper. I think it looks really high-end and you can get it at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm gonna pull the craft paper out and cut off the excess. Then I'll fold it in on both sides, tape it in place. On the corners, I'm gonna fold in both sides and then fold up that middle triangle, tape it in place, and I'll repeat those steps on the other side. Now that my present is packaged, it looks a little boring, so I wanted to do something to kind of dress it up. I picked up a stamp and stamp pad, and I'm gonna fill up my stamp pad and I'm gonna stamp these little snowflakes around my package. Let that dry completely. Then I grab this crushed green velvet ribbon that I had on hand, and I'm going to wrap it around kind of at an angle, and then I'll cross it in back, bring it back around, and then I'm going to tie a knot in the middle, and then I will create a bow, cutting off the excess on the ends. This was definitely a really inexpensive way to dress up this package, but I think it looks really cute and very custom. I'm gonna use some more of that double-sided paper. The one that I got came with like 3 different selections in a pack. So I'm gonna use my double-sided paper and my elf cutter, and I'm gonna put my package together like you would normally put together a package, but I wanted to show you how you can really dress up a package by adding in ribbon. I think the most important thing is you want to use ribbon that has a wire in it. Whenever it has a wire in it, you're going to be able to fluff it up so much more. So I like a 2-inch wire ribbon. I'm going to cut one piece that is the length of my package and tape it onto the back. Then I'm going to get another long, even piece that I can wrap around my entire package. I'm gonna cross the ribbon over and tuck one of the sides underneath the ribbon I already taped in place. I'll tie a knot with my long ribbon. Now with one of my long strands of ribbon, I'm gonna move that to the opposite side so it's ready for me to tie a knot. I'm gonna make a loop, wrap it around, and pull through to create a bow. Next, it's important to make sure that your loops match. You also kind of want to fluff up your loop so that they look similar. Then you can cut off the excess. I usually like to hang off the excess maybe about 2 inches off of my package. And look at how this bow just completely dresses up my package. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. This next technique you definitely have to use the double-sided paper for, and it's definitely gonna pay off and look so cool. So you wanna cut off enough paper so you can wrap your package. Then you're going to pull the paper up on either end, tuck in the sides, and pull up the triangle, tape that in place. If you have any excess, just cut that off before you put the edges together. Now that you have your package wrapped normally, pull out a little bit more of your wrapping paper and you're going to cut it in a square so it's the same size as your package. Next, you're going to fold it so each of the corners meet each other so you have a big X on your square. Then you're going to cut on each of those lines in about halfway in. You're going to tape one of your ends down in place, and then with your end on the other side of your triangle, you're gonna fold that into the middle and tape that. This is creating a pinwheel effect. So do that all the way around for 4 different sides. When you give this present as a package, people are gonna say, how did you do this? And it was super simple to put together and really didn't take that much more time. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is wrapping. Now you may already know this, but a hack you can do to save on your wrapping paper is when you open up your wrapping paper, you want to turn your box 3 times before you cut. That's going to give you the right amount of wrapping paper. That way you're not cutting off a lot of excess that you're not going to end up using. Now, if you're short on time, but you want the look of a wrapped present, consider using pre-made boxes. I found these pre-made boxes at Target and they're going to be perfect. I'm going to be able to just embellish these and they're going to have that really cool look of craft paper. So put your box together, add in whatever you're gifting on the inside. Now on the outside, you can really just go all out. I love using things I already have on hand and just kind of trying things out. So I used some ribbon that I had and I taped it on the back. And then I tried kind of wrapping this other twine around there. I ended up not liking that, ended up taking that off, but that's the fun part of wrapping. It's just kind of like a DIY. Just add things, take it away till you're happy with it. I also put an ornament on a piece of twine and taped that on the back. I ended up just going with the ribbon and the ornament. And then to finish it off, I added in a little bit of greenery. That's one of my tricks. I think if you add in a little bit of greenery, it makes it look so much more high end. But I guess the hack here is just to use what you have on hand and have fun with it. Now, since we're talking gift wrapping hacks, I had to show you guys how I like to store my wrapping paper and all of my essentials. So I love this little clear bag. I love that it has handles. I can easily throw it into a closet, and this fits a ton of gift wrap, at least like 17, 18 rolls that you could put inside here, kind of depending on how big they are. But since it's clear, I can see what's inside of there. I can also throw it in a closet, which makes it really easy. I've been really wanting to step up my storage game this year, so I found these that I thought would be perfect for all of my gift wrapping stuff, things that I like my tape, my bows, ribbon, different things like that. I love that it's gray and red, so it's perfect for the holidays, and it has this clear acrylic front to it so I can see everything that I put inside. And you can get, I think these come in a packet too. I'll link them for you down in the description box. Let me know down in the comments which of these gift wrapping hacks you guys thought were cool, you might try out this year. I love knowing your opinion. Don't be afraid to try that project you've been wanting to try, and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I hope you subscribe because I want to see you back here. Bye.